Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We are going to start the awarding education competition prizes. Tilawat Safe Awal, Kamran Minhaz Saab, Bilton Waterloo region, first position. Munir Ahmed Mirza Saab, Brampton East region, second position. Mansoor Ahmed Shahid Saab, Van East region, third position. Tilawat Safe Dom, Rafi Muniz Zindaki Saab, Hamilton Niagara region, first position. Mansoor Khalid Saab, Van East region, second position. Aftab Kang Saab, Calgary region, third position. Nazam Safe Dom, Kamran Shehzad Saab, Brampton West region, first position. Tawfiq Ahmed Saab, Brampton East region, second position. Muhammad Khan Bajwa Saab, Calgary, third position. Urdu Speech Safe Awal, Abdul Sattar Kamar, Northern Ontario, first position. Urdu Speech Safe Awal, Masood Bhuta Saab, Brampton West region, second position. Rafiq Ahmed Kamar Saab, Central East Ontario, third position. Urdu Speech Safe Dom, Ahmed Safiullah Rajput Saab, Milton Waterloo, first position. Saad Junood Saab, Van West region, second position. Fakhrullah Mangla Saab, Toronto West region, third position. English Speech Safe Awal, Mahmood Iqbal Saab, British Columbia, first position. Idris Mia Saab, Prairie region, second position. Urdu Speech Safe Awal, Rafiq Ahmed Kamar Saab, Central East Ontario, third position. Ahmed Safiullah Rajput, Milton Waterloo, first. Saad Junood Saab, Van West, second position. Fakhrullah Mangla Saab, Toronto West, third position. Mahmood Iqbal Saab, Safe Awal. English Speech Safe Awal, Mahmood Iqbal Saab, British Columbia, first. Idris Mia Saab, Prairie region, second position. Kamran Ashraf Saab, Van West, third position. English Speech Safe Dom, Abid Mahmood Saab, Eastern Canada, first position. Ahmed Safiullah Rajput Saab, Milton Waterloo, second position. Ahmed Siddiqui Saab, Northern Ontario, 3rd position. Ahmed Siddiqui Saab, Northern Ontario, 3rd position. French speech, Abdul Momin Sukia Saab, Peace Village, Mukami, 1st position. Kaisar Nadeem, Hamilton, Niagara, 2nd position. Shakil Musland Saab, British Columbia, 3rd position. Arabic speech, Rafi Munir Zindaki Saab, Hamilton, Niagara, 1st position. Yusuf Makhlouf, Eastern Canada, 2nd position. Yusuf Makhlouf, Eastern Canada, 2nd. Ayub Iqbal Saab, Prairie Region, 3rd position. Arabic speech. Hifz Quran, Muhammad Ziaul Haq, Toronto Region, 1st position. Kaisar Nadeem, Hamilton, Niagara, 2nd position. Sohail Ahmed Mir, Toronto West, 3rd position. Now, Quran translation, Nisar Ahmed, Prairie Region, 1st position. Nisar Ahmed, Prairie Region, 1st position. Mubarak Ahmed Saif, Calgary, 2nd position. Kareem Ahmed Tahir Saab, Peace Village, Mukami, 3rd position. Essay Writing Competition 2025, 1st position, Shiraz Jameel Ahmed Saab, Hamilton, Niagara. Kaisar Nadeem Saab, 2nd position, Hamilton, Niagara. Sheikh Saeed Ahmed Saab, 3rd position, Western Ontario. Urdu essay writing, 1st position, Hafiz Ahmed, British Columbia. Liaquat Ali Saab, Urdu essay writing, 2nd position, Northern Ontario. Fakhrullah Mangla Saab, 3rd position, Toronto West. And 3rd position also, Munib Ahmed, Prairie Region. That we conclude the education competition result.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I will be presenting the awards for the SAR department. First will be the top 3 regions for 2024 for SAR department. First position, I would like to call upon Peace Village Mukami, Nazim Issar, Imanullah Ghuman Sahib. I'd like to invite Nazmi Allah Sahib as well to come with him. Second position, Northern Ontario, Nazim Sahib, Mubashir Ahmed Malik Sahib, along with Nazmi Allah Sahib to please come to the stage. Third position, Hamilton, Niagara, Nazim Sahib Issar, Aurangzeb Khan Sahib, along with Nazmi Allah Sahib. Third position, which is a tie, Vaughan East, Nazim Sahib Issar, Ziaul Islam Sahib, along with Nazmi Allah Sahib Asasai Sahib. Next will be the top 3 majalis of Hisar department for 2024. First position goes to Majlis Gulf. I would like to invite Muntazim Hisar, Bashir Ahmed Rajput Sahib. He's also serving as the Zai Majlis for Gulf as well. Vaughan East, Ziaul Islam Sahib, third position, and Nazmi Ala Sahib is Asad Sayyid Sahib. First position for Gulf Majlis, Muntazim Hisar Sahib, Bashir Ahmed Rajput Sahib. Second position goes to Peace Village Center West. Muntazim Hisar is Tayyib Ahmed Sahib, along with Zai Majlis, Abdul Alim Sahib. Third position, Peace Village Southeast. Muntazim Hisar, Mubashir Ahmed Chauhan Sahib, Zai Majlis, Maqsood Ahmed Sajid Sahib. Special recognition awards for various charity runs which are held across Canada under the National Hisar Department. We would like to recognize the following teams from different runs. First, I would like to invite Run for Winnipeg, Ikramullah Sahib, Run Director. He's also serving as the Zai Majlis for Winnipeg. Second is Run for Edmonton, Khurram Bajwa Sahib, who's the Run Director. And I also like to invite both Zoma for Edmonton East and West to please join him. Next, I would like to invite for Run for Hamilton, Abdul Ghaffar Sahib, who's the Assistant Run Director. The Run Director, Jamshed Sahib, was not feeling well today. And I also like to invite the local team from Hamilton and Hamilton Mountain to please join him, Nadeem Shahzad Sahib, and the rest of the team, Tariq Haider Sahib as well, and Dr. Leem Sahib if he's here. Run for Windsor. Run for Windsor team, Tariq Haider Sahib, along with the 2 Zoma, Windsor North and Windsor South, and also the respected Nazmi Ala Sahib as well. Next is Run for Airdrie. It was the first run this year. It was a very successful run. I would like to invite Asim Hanif Sahib, who's the Run Director, and Zai Majlis Airdrie, Chaudhry Rashad Mahmood Sahib, Run for Airdrie. Next is Run for Lloydminster. I would like to invite Muhammad Ashraf Sahib, who's the Run Director. He's also serving as the Zai Majlis for Lloydminster. Last but not least, Run for Gulf, also the first run for this year. I would like to invite the Run Director, Bashir Ahmed Rajput Sahib, who's also serving as the Zai Majlis Gulf. This concludes the awards presentation from the Hisar Department. Jazakumullah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This night we will be having for the cycling awards for the top cyclists of the Majlis Ansarullah Canada this year for 2025. In the light of the instructions we received directly from the Sayyidina Hazrat Khalifatul Masih Khamis Ayyadullah bin Nasir al-Aziz with the mulaqat last year with the National Amla to do the more and more cycling. In the light of that, we achieve some significant milestones. So I would start the names of the cyclists who achieved the extraordinary targets. Number one is Inamullah Rajput Sahib, region Northern Ontario. He did one day the maximum 180 kilometer longest ride and achieved the platinum level during the Cycling Challenge 2025. Next, Muhammad Abid Hussain Sahib, Peace Village, Makami. He cycled 170 kilometers in a day, the longest ride, and achieved the platinum level. Munawwar Ahmed Sahib, Central East Ontario. He did the 174 kilometer longest ride. Sohail Ahmed Mir Sahib, Toronto West. He did the longest cycle, like 162 kilometer, and achieved the platinum level. Next, Hasib Daud Sahib from Milton, Waterloo. He did the cycle 171 kilometer in a day and achieved the platinum level. Next, we have from the Calgary, Bilal Zafar Sahib. He's not here. On his behalf, Nazim Saab Zahanat wa Sehat Jismani will receive the award. He did the cycle 166 kilometer in a day. Next, we have the Nasir Malik Sahib from Prairie region. He cycled over 300 kilometers during the International Cycling Tour in Spain, 3rd to 5th May 2025, on the invitation of the Majlis Ansarullah UK. Next, we have Zafar Tahir Sahib from Calgary region. He provided the support to the cyclists during the International Cycling Tour in Spain. Salman Khan Sahib, he's from the British Columbia. He cycled nearly 2,000 kilometers from Halifax, Nova Scotia to Peace Village 1 for the National Majlis Ansarullah Ijtima 2025. Next, we have the Tausif Khan Sahib from Milton, Waterloo. He achieved the platinum level in the Cycling Challenge 2025. Next, we have the Naeem Sayal Sahib from Calgary region. On his behalf, Nazim Sahib will receive the award. Last but not the least, Zubaid Hashmi Sahib from Mississauga region. He achieved the platinum level during the Cycling Challenge. Barakallahu lakum. This ends the award ceremony.
Nazam Safe Awwal Abdul Hamid Hamidi Saab, Peace Village, Makami, first position. Muhammad Yunus Chuktai Saab, Eastern Canada, second position. Ashfaq Ahmed Saab, Brampton West, third position.
कर मुबारक सुबहान मैया रानी, ये रोज कर मुबारक सुबहान मैया रानी।